building something new on top of that, because I've been talking a lot about also autonomous banking, assisted finance, everything that comes along with AI, and when you see the potential of that in this heavy infrastructure that the banks got, the incumbent banks got, it's just like there's no fit, and it's just like a need of it's basically an implosion of the model, and in an accelerated way. I think we've been seeing that, little by little, but now it's going to be massive. And talking about the next chapter for also the challenger banks, we also see a lot of those players taking advantage of their larger customer base, the fact that they're beloved and all that, and they're going beyond banking as well. You see the case for Nubank with their telco operation now, and it's good to see how they started from banking and finance, and now how they're taking other aspects of people's lives, and that's so cool to see. And we've been seeing that in Asia as well, with all the super apps.
Yep.
And but it's good to see how it translates to different geographies, because of course the market elements from China is, the competition, it's all different from what we see in the West.
Actually, this is a good point, Bruno, because, if you think about China, Americans have a very hard time understanding this because most Americans have never been to China, but China is at least 10 years ahead of the United States
For sure.
on this type of infrastructure.
Definitely.
Think about real-time payments, right? Pix is the fastest growing payments rails in the world now, based here in Brazil, 80% of the population adoption, incredible progress. UPI in India, 80% of retail commerce will go through UPI rails by 2027. 92% of all retail payments in China are mobile now. But China opened up the real-time payments rails in 2014.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then, we talk about open banking. China was the first to do open Fintech, right? Which was they had to take the Alipay and WeChat data and allow that to be consumed by the banks.
Yeah.
Right. So a two-way consumption. So already you see, China has blockchain cores, and it has, they're starting to put real estate and property records on the blockchain. China's building a machine-readable economy, right? The US is so far away from this, right? And so you still have economies, particularly like Europe, more aligned with the US philosophically, but Brazil, India, China, the BRICS nations are where we're going to see the next generation of autonomous trading cross-border, the use of CBDCs and stable coins, I think really done with that agentic AI model. So it's an exciting time to be in the space.
For sure.